Hello and welcome to a Mitsubishi Electric Quick Tips video. Today we're going to talk about how to use an DU07 parameter unit to download parameters to a Mitsubishi Electric VFD. The first step of the process is to install the DU07 with the uploaded parameters into the drive for download. Move the parameter unit into the drive. The next step is to download all of the parameters from the DU07 into the drive. Press the PU EXT button. The PU LED will turn on. Next, press the Mode button. The display will read P0. Then turn the dial one notch to the left to PCPY. Then press the Set button. Next, turn the dial two notches to the right to 2 and press the Set button. The parameters will then be written. Please wait. You will see that the 2 is flashing on the display. This means the parameter write is in progress. The blinking PCPY status means the write is complete. All of the parameters have now been downloaded. The final step is to return the DU07 to the original drive and then reinstall the DU07 parameter unit that was in the drive where the parameters were downloaded. That concludes this Quick Tips video. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.